Cherokee 294BH. Reintroduce the kids to nature in the Cherokee 294BH. A large pass-through storage gives you extra space to stash more things like camp gear or kids' outdoor toys. Hitching and unhitching has never been easier than with the included power tongue jack. Gather under the 15-foot awning for a shady place to have family conversation about your day. With double bunks on one side and a flip-up bunk on the other, there's plenty of sleeping space in the bunkhouse. The cube sofa can be used for seating or folded out into a bed for more sleeping space yet. The addition of a bathtub instead of just a shower makes getting the kids cleaned up much easier. Serve up all their favorites using the 3-burner range that won't restrict you to one pan at a time like others. When your bellies are full, the kids will have no problem washing the dishes in the large sink. Once dinner is ready, you can set a place for everyone at the large dinette that converts into a bed for added sleeping arrangements. The plush kitchen bed in the master bedroom is topped with an upgraded hypoallergenic evergreen mattress for a restful and sneeze-free sleep. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.